In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your activity on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to boost your privacy or simply keep your professional moves somewhat under the radar, these steps will guide you through the process quickly and efficiently. Now, let's jump right into it. First things first, let's start by navigating to LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and go to the LinkedIn homepage. If you're not already signed in, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. Enter your details as prompted, your email and password, and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the LinkedIn homepage. This is your main dashboard for all things LinkedIn, where you can access your feed, connect with professionals, and much more. Next, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen and go on to click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you click on this, you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your profile and how it interacts with other LinkedIn users. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see several options. Here, we're interested in the option labeled Visibility. Click on this to proceed to a new section that focuses specifically on who can see what on your profile and how your network interactions are shared. Now, within the Visibility section, there is an option called Visibility of your profile and network, which offers deeper control over what aspects of your profile are publicly accessible. Click on this option to delve further into the settings. Now, in this area, we're particularly focused on managing your public profile. Find and click on Edit Your Public Profile, which will allow you to adjust what components of your LinkedIn presence are shared with non-connections. Here, you will generally find different toggle options to customize what is visible to varying audiences. Once you're in the Edit Your Public Profile area, scroll down until you find the setting for articles and activity. This section is crucial because it dictates whether or not your posts, reactions, and other interactions show up for people who view your profile. If you wish to keep this information private, all you need to do is uncheck the box corresponding to Articles and Activity. And there you have it. A simple way to enhance your LinkedIn privacy by hiding your activity. This change ensures that your posts and interactions aren't as easily accessible to those outside your immediate network, giving you a greater sense of control over your online professional persona. By following these steps, you can customize your LinkedIn experience to align more closely with your privacy preferences. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, feel free to explore more content and tips on optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching and see you next time.